What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Hey man, say man, listen man. Before I get into this video, subscribe if you're new. One, that's like the most important one. Probably second most important, drop a like on the video. Unless you just woke up with some hate in your blood today, drop a like on the video, man. It costs you nothing, it's free. Lastly, drop a comment below after the video is over and let me know what y'all thought about the video, what your recommendations are, what you would do different, what you wouldn't do. So yeah, let me know. Feedback is important. That's communication. That's the point of communication. And yeah man, so this video, this is the update on my car. This is where I stand today, the plans I have, and whether that be engine, exterior, because nothing is getting done to the interior. The interior is done. So I guess the elephant in the room, how much power am I putting down after this ripped supercharger on the all-wheel drive with countless other engine mods already done? Man, I don't know. That ain't the answer y'all want to hear. I'm well aware of this, but I don't know. I haven't been on a dyno run yet, and I could have did it. But I haven't done it yet. So for one, I'm running rich. Fuel economy is actually better, like miles per gallon is way better, but I'm running rich. And for those that aren't familiar with running rich versus running lean is you're not getting enough gas versus your air, which is terrible for your car. And running rich is I'm spitting out more fuel than I need for the AFR, air fuel ratio. So yeah, I'm running rich. Running rich ain't a bad thing. Running lean is terrible. So I'm good there. What I'll end up doing to the engine is definitely swapping out my pulleys. That's still my thing. I'm doing that. So that'll be the lightweight alternator pulley, and then the actual one for the supercharger itself. Def Before Stock has a pulley that you can put on to these ripped superchargers. Smaller pulley, more power. So those are definitely the two things I would be doing for sure. Something I've kind of been thinking about is a larger fuel pump. So I don't know yet, but for sure the two pulleys, that's definitely happening. In terms of where I'm at on the car and how much power I'm putting down, my educated guess would be 420 to 440, somewhere in between, maybe less. But this is me judging off of cars that I've drove in that similar power range. I've driven SRT8s, SRTs, RTs, drove a Hellcat once. This is nothing like Hellcat power, so that ain't the case, and I wasn't expecting that. That's not my goal either, but that's kind of the neutral ground that I'm judging this off of. It's not a Hellcat in terms of power, but RT, faster than the RT, a stock RT. Let me say that, stock RT, because those are only, I think, 370 horsepower, 363 to the wheels, give or take. So I'm definitely above that. The SRT range, SRTA range, the 470 to the wheels, I don't think I'm up there. I don't think I'm up there. And that's just me being humble and being transparent. I don't think I'm putting down that much power. Now, with the pulleys getting swapped out and the tune getting dialed in from rip, I can say I'll be up there. With confidence, I can say I'll be up there, but I'm not there yet. So that should kind of give y'all, I guess, a somewhat like a base level of the power. 0 to 60, I haven't exactly floored it yet. I haven't floored this car not one time since the supercharger been on. Yeah. So that's where I'm at in terms of power. Something my wife kind of threw out there for me to start getting back into is appearance. And my overall goal is this, y'all. The goal is to keep the car classy, but dress it up, make it look good, make it look better. And So her ideas was, you know, look into wraps. Do a camo wrap, same color as the camo I got in the engine bay and the interior, except it'll probably be more towards the interior because the car is white. But yeah, she's like, look into wraps, look into the Hellcat hood or the Viper hood, look into lowering the car, putting it on bags, you name it. Her thing is, the engine is done for the most part. Get back into the appearance of the car and put money back into that avenue, because you can't just make the channel one based on performance or engines, because not everybody can do that. Not everybody enjoys that. Not everybody relates to that. But appearance, everybody can relate to appearance. That's the first thing anybody notices about a car. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much the video. I'll recap, I guess, if people like to skim through, because I do it for other videos. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, recap, man. So swapping out the pulleys. That's the alternator pulley, and then the one on the actual supercharger itself, going for a smaller one. I'm on the 91 tune from Rip right now, the bass tune. In terms of the bass tune, the tuners I've been talking to, and this is through 3 different ones, because never put all your eggs in one basket. Get your advice and recommendations from multiple areas of people that know what they're talking about. That's my logic. So the tune I'm on from Rip is not the worst tune, actually. Well, my tune, the one they have me on, is not the worst, and it's not, by far it's not the best. But the 3 different tuners I've been communicating with and sending data logs to and stuff like that, they're saying the tune that I'm actually on is not, it's a good tune. It's actually decent. The tune has me putting out more fuel than need be, but running rich ain't a bad thing. That's not the worst thing. That's actually okay with me. There's like minor tweaks that need to be cleaned up on the tune to put me at like full performance peak power. And contrary to what everybody hears about these bass tunes from Rip, maybe I'm just speaking for myself here. This tune ain't bad. The tune is good. For a stock tune, it's good. Well, for a bass tune, it's good. So yeah, man. Looking into wrapping it. Maybe not a whole wrap, maybe partial, maybe a full wrap, I don't know. But my wife is on board for that. That's what she says to do. Maybe lowering the car, throwing it on bags, swapping out the hood. It's only so much I can end up doing to this car, because for the most part the car is done. And it's kind of nice to say that now. What, 2.5 years, 3 years later, it's kind of nice to say that. But yeah, man, this video, I wasn't intending for it to be super long, straight to the point, give you all the updates. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So stay tuned for the next couple of videos. I'll go ahead and give y'all what I'll be discussing. One of the videos is going to be the pros and the cons of having a supercharger 2 weeks after having it. So I guess a 2-week review of having a supercharger. That might just be the title. Another video is, as much as I don't want to do this, I think I'm gonna give y'all a full 0 to 60 and like 60 to 100, some highway pulls, some POV driving, strap the GoPro up, and y'all just listen to the car, hear everything. So yeah, man, stay tuned for the next videos. Stay tuned for the next videos. Things are about to start getting interesting. I kind of been taking it easy on this whole YouTube thing and coming up with different ideas that I kind of want to do with YouTube. Because if y'all aren't aware, used to be known as Car Reviews with Foosh, but Foosh Nika, that's my dog right there. Him, Serious Lanes, oh man, CJ on 32s, man, like just YouTubers that I watch on a daily basis for stuff I'm interested in and stuff they're doing. They've all been saying the same thing. Car guys on YouTube, or the car community on YouTube, is taking a hit right now. Views aren't what they normally are. The money is not where it normally is. So you kind of got to step outside the box and look into different areas of where you can generate money and keep good content coming, since YouTube ain't organically promoting these car videos. So I'm gonna tell y'all this, I'm about to start getting into reacting to car videos. A few people like a long time ago made comments about it. You should react to car videos and do this and do that. So I'm taking y'all up on that offer, man. I'm gonna start doing that. First reaction is going to go out this Friday. So if y'all have video recommendations or anything like that, yo, hit me up on Instagram at Mopar, what is it? Mopar_300s on Instagram. Send me the videos that y'all want me to react to, because I'm about to do this at least once or twice a week. And yeah, man, that's this video. I'm out of here till next time. Y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned for these videos. Also, stay safe. Stay out the way. And yo, like the video, comment below. Let me know what you thought about the video. And on that note, it's pretty hot out here. I'm about to go to another spot and do another video for y'all. So trying to get active today, y'all. But yeah, catch y'all in the next one.